Are you frustrated with all of the so-called gurus who charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for their Amazon FBA course? We are too. That's why Egrow has developed a completely free Amazon FBA course so you can get started with any budget. Linked in the description below, you will find a free Amazon FBA course. We have taken the time to compile all of the necessary knowledge you will need to possess to start making money on Amazon. Our course will arm you with the tools to choose the business model that will be most beneficial to you. We have designed this course in a way that will allow you to see all of your options and make an informed decision on the route that you would like to take. This comprehensive course will save you time and money in the long run. So you might be wondering, what is included in the course? Well, it provides you with a detailed look into the world of FBA with seller opportunities, advertising knowledge, as well as strategies and best practices for product research. We also discuss the advantages of FBA over other e-commerce business models and provide information to prevent you from finding yourself in legal trouble. Egrow possesses significant and detailed information about the workings of Amazon. From product and niche analysis to growth strategies, we spend our days immersed in the Amazon marketplaces. We know what it takes to be successful on Amazon and the issues that may present themselves along the way. In our new Amazon FBA course, you will be able to see the potential that lies within your Amazon journey and begin to pave the way towards a new reality. Click the link in the description below to download your free copy. You won't regret it.